Young Mouth, here's a surprise for you. Look what I got. I'm gonna bring that from my bedroom and I'll get it downstairs, alright? Good. Let's take care of this. Good. I will stay silent. Where are you? And Young Mouth, don't tell me. What is that noise? Look, Young Mouth. Young Mouth. Young Mouth, what is it being called? Oh. Little yellow. Oh, little yellow what? It's a little yellow goblin. It's not a goblin. Oh, it's a star. That is a fidget spinner. Young Mouth. It's not. It's not. This thing is not a star. Young Mouth. Stars do not spin like this, right? Let's see if it's the same color or not. Oh, this Holly icon and the fidget thing is the same color. Let's see if it spins well. And Young Mouth, you're watching. A spinning goblin. It's not a spinning goblin. It's not a spinning goblin. It is a spinning goblin. More like it's a pinwheel. It's not a pinwheel, Young Mouth. Let's have a talk. Until this fidget thing stops. Young Mouth, this is not a pinwheel star that you're looking for. This is a fidget rotator. That doesn't look like a rotator. I said fidget rotator. And Young Mouth, did you know that they are very popular? No. Young Mouth, stop blocking your camera. And guess what, Young Mouth? What? You can't have one. I'm very jealous. Good. Good, Young Mouth. You're very jealous. Just because you want to get that fidget rotator. Young Mouth, I'm very ashamed at your behavior, Young Mouth. Guess what? What? Your status by buying one is 0, Young Mouth. Don't spin it. That spins. That's it. Young Mouth. Fidget spinner, star. Fidget spinner, star. Fidget spinner, star. Let me see. It's not a star, Young Mouth. Look, this is a star. And that is a fidget spinner or rotator. And what do you think it is? A fidget hallway icon like this? No, it's not. The Queen of Surrey was the Ivor. If you get blue, then you'll call it the Queen of Surrey. And don't even think about banging it into the camera, or don't even think about it, young mouth. You didn't bang it, good.